How to fix microphone not working in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show a guide on how to fix a microphone that's not working in Microsoft Teams. So let's dive right in. First things first, you will need to check if microphone is enabled in your Microsoft Teams or not. So for that, head over to your Microsoft Teams, go to the activity icon in the left hand side and you will see gear icon. Just tap on it and then go to devices on the left hand side. There, make sure the speaker and microphone is properly enabled. So another option is you also need to check if your microphone is enabled in your device's settings. So head over to the settings in your device and then you will need to go to privacy and security option in the left and scroll down and you can see app permissions, tap on microphone and now search for Microsoft Teams and make sure that it is toggled on. Sometimes toggling this off will also cause the microphone issue. And this is the reason microphone is not working in your Microsoft Teams. So make sure that you enable the microphone in both your device and your Microsoft Teams. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.